Welcome to the Data Analysis and Presentation in Excel course. In this tutorial, we will discuss the basics of data analysis and presentation in Excel. Throughout this course, we will explore different data management functions and introduce you to some of their key usages. We'll explore the fundamentals of how to manage and present data using Excel and understand how to use various Excel functions in different scenarios with different conditions. As we progress, we will engage in a practical discussion centered around data validation, working with filter and advanced filters, advanced formatting, conditional formatting, and what-if analysis. We will also learn the need for data validation, whole number, decimal, date time. Text length validation, creating list, cascading list, providing custom error message, filter based on criteria, filter in place or copy to different location, working with dsum, daverage, dcount, etc., custom formatting number, custom formatting dates and text, setting up rules for conditional formats, clearing the conditional formats, writing formula in conditional formatting, manage rules, what-if analysis, data table, goal seek, and scenario manager. Our aim is to help you upgrade your Excel skills today through this course on data analysis and presentation in Excel. Don't miss out. Enroll now and unlock the secrets of data analysis and presentation in Excel.